Hello, everyone. This is your week 4 and 5 video. So you get one video for 2 weeks. This week, we are going to talk about your assessment. Well, actually, really the next 3 weeks, this is your assignment, is the assessment and identification portion of the school population assessment assignment, which is the identification of needs and intervention plan. So this is chunked into 3 separate due dates, but only one grade. And we're going to talk about that here. So there are no required readings from the course text in week 4 or week 5, but please note there are many resources for you to review in those weeks that very well will be helpful to you as you work on this assignment and submitting it for both the assessment and the identification portion of the papers. So let's talk about week 4. In week 4, you are submitting just the assessment portion of the paper. Please be sure to follow the rubric in the syllabus. You will not receive a grade on the work that you turn in for week 4, but the late policy still is in effect. So if you are not going to make that due date, please communicate with me early so that we can work through that. I will review the assessment portion of your paper and will provide you with feedback. And I would strongly encourage you to review the feedback and then take appropriate action as you continue to add to and review your paper. That's week 4. Week 5, you are submitting the same paper from week 4, but you are adding the identification of a priority health issue in the school population with your rationale. So you're adding that to the assessment portion. You can certainly go ahead and tweak any changes that you needed to make on the assessment portion whenever you submit it. Again, in week 5, I will again read the entire submission from you. You will not receive a grade on that work, but again, the late policy is in effect. So please do again communicate early if you would have trouble with that due date in week 5. I'll review both portions of the paper and give you feedback that, again, I strongly recommend that you look at that feedback and take appropriate action as you making those changes as you work to finalize the paper, which the final paper is due then the following week, and I will make a separate video for that for week 6. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or concerns about the assignment. By the time you are submitting these assignments, you're actually over halfway done with this course. So that's really exciting. I am going to go ahead and post this video now so that anyone who wishes to work ahead, you kind of have a bit of an idea of what's going on and what you're working on. I will also post the week 6 video early so that, again, if you're working ahead, since this is kind of an assignment that builds on each other, you will have those videos. But at any point, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. I look forward to reading your assignments.